How to check Twitter QR code. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Twitter or X application on a device. Then tap on profile at the top left corner. Now simply tap on your profile name. Then tap on three dots at the top right corner. Then tap on share. Now simply tap on copy link. Now go back to the home screen. Open up Play Store on a device. Then tap on the search bar. Now type QR code generator. Then tap on search. Now simply install this application. Now wait for the app to install. Now after installing, simply tap on open. Again wait for some time. Then tap on start. Then tap on continue. Now tap on the cross icon. Again tap on cross. Now paste the link here. Now select website. Again paste the link here. Then tap on create. And that's it. You can simply save it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.